Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find someone's Amazon wish list as long as the list is set to public. First, open the Amazon website and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, move your cursor to Account and Lists at the top of the page under your name, then click on it. From the menu, select Find a List or Gift List under the Your List section. On the next page, type the name of the person whose wish list you're trying to find into the registrant name box. If you're not sure of their exact Amazon name, try typing just a few letters. Next, click on the Select a Registry or Gift List Type drop-down menu and choose the option that best fits, such as Wedding Registry, Baby Registry, or Gift List. Scroll through the results and click on the person's Amazon wish list when you find it. And that's how you find someone's Amazon wish list. Keep in mind that this only works if their list is public. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.